What's going on, everybody? This is Deshaun Johnson for DeshaunJohnson.com, and in this video today, I want to actually talk about the love for one of my favorite professions in the world, and that is going to be network marketing. The reason I don't really call it an industry anymore is because of Eric Worre's Go Pro book that I've listened to like 9 times already from my Audible account. So I've listened to that book a lot, and I just choose to actually just call it a profession and not an industry. For those reasons, you need to check that book out if you are in network marketing. Don't worry, in this video I'm not promoting any sort of company. I'm not representing anybody. I'm just talking about the profession as a whole, my experience, and why I do love it so much. Now, I'm not actually in this video. I would like to just be honest and very blunt. Okay, my experience, I have not been a top earner with any companies. I made some earnings, I've had some mild success, but I never really took it to the limits that I could possibly take it to whenever I was with my past existing companies. And the reason for that I really want to speak on right now is because I became so recruitment focused. And after listening to Eric Worre's Go Pro book, because the companies I joined in the past, I was so focused on just building a downline, building a team, recruiting people, that I really didn't even care about the products or services at all. Like, I wasn't passionate about it. I was really just passionate about the opportunity, what I can actually get from doing this. I was only concerned with the relationships in regards to what they could actually do for me. And I really feel like that's how a lot of people are. You see this other side of people where they're like super nice. They're all of a sudden just really big into personal development. You start seeing certain sides of people before, and it's really hard to tell if it's false or if this is authentic. And I'm gonna be very honest with you. From my past, when I first got started, I was only nice just for the whole sole sake of just recruiting somebody and just building a team and claiming, quote unquote, claiming that I really wanted them to be successful, when in the end I wanted myself to be successful. And that was a big issue. It took a long time for me to actually develop a genuine concern for other people and really wanting to help them out. And it's only through trial and error and lots of experience that I've learned to ask questions about people, get to really know them, so I can actually fit, is this company even right for you, instead of trying to like push this on them just because I'm trying to build a team. And it's something essential that Eric Worre's book actually talks about is, dismiss the whole notion of some will, some won't, so what next. You dismiss that. Just get rid of that out of your whole state of mind. People are people. When you get to the point where you start treating people like volume, like just downlines, they're just numbers, when you just focus on the recruitment aspect. On a recent podcast on MLM Nation with Simon Chan, he interviewed, God, man, what's the guy's name? Kenny Lloyd, that's who it is, Kenny Lloyd. He interviewed him, and Kenny Lloyd actually spoke that the longevity is actually in the retail side, and I completely 100% agree with that. As somebody right now who's developing his own products, learning how to actually choose a target market, learning the right people to actually market to, because the key word is in network marketing is marketing. We so much focus on the network side that the marketing side has to deal with the products and services. You have to be a product of the product. You have to love what you're using. So now, whenever I join a network marketing company, I'm not so recruitment focused anymore. Yes, that'll be essential, but I'm more people focused. I'm definitely more relationship focused, but even more so, I'm more retail focused. Is this company, is the product and services, is this something I can really get behind? Is this something I'm going to use passionately? Am I going to share it with vigor, with just such conviction and passion, like, man, this is how it's working for me? I know it'll definitely help you out. And I'll be actually joining a company here real soon, and I'm kind of excited. I can't wait to actually try the service out and try the products out, not just really build a team, but really build a team based on a foundation that this is something that's going to like change your life, not just from an opportunity standpoint, but from a service standpoint, and saving you lots of money and just really putting you in a better position financially in the future. So this is just video one. I'm still teaching. I still love teaching. Also, network marketers, they'll try to make it seem like your job is horrible. You don't need to be working there anymore. You should be building your own business. Have time, freedom, life with your family. But in another, podcast I heard with Cedric Harris, maybe most of y'all in the profession know about Cedric. I had the pleasure of speaking with him in 2008, but on a recent podcast, we need, teachers, we need doctors, we need lawyers. Everybody is not made to be in network marketing, but everybody will use products and services. And even those doctors and teachers and lawyers, even me being a teacher, I developed my own products for other teachers so they could be better teachers, to make things convenient and easier and make their jobs easier. So there's opportunity all around, and no matter what you're doing, all it is identifying a problem and developing something that will be a solution to that problem to meet the need for somebody else. So the only thing about doing things solo, the special thing about network marketing is the fact that you have the component of somebody selling the service for you and you getting a passive income, residual income off of that seller. So that's one of the things that I actually wanted to speak about with network marketing. I love the profession. I speak highly of it. I'm not one of those who've been bitter, like, yeah, forget that, I'm not going to join it. I listen to what, I can actually smell a mile away when somebody's coming up to me with an opportunity. When they go through the steps, they do a 3-way call. They, they don't say much about what the business actually is in the beginning. You can start smelling it a mile away. But even despite me knowing that, I listen to that person that's presented it to me because I want to actually see, well, what's the product and service about? Yeah, compensation plan, it's all the same. Binary, multilateral, whatever have you, those things are going to be there. You're passionate about it, change your life, whatever, blah, 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 blah. What is this product and service hitting on? Am I going to be passionate enough about it in order to promote this, in order to be willing to share it with other people and just get really excited about it? So yeah, I'm gonna still listen to you because the product and service has to happen. If there's no product and service, then you're gonna be in some what is it? I was about to say the wrong thing. FDIC, the Federal Trade Commission, FTC trouble. It's going to be, targeted as a Ponzi scheme where it's just focused on recruitment and there is no regard to products and services. And yeah, there's a lot of, I guess there's a lot of federal governmental debate where those marketing dollars could be actually going into actual marketing instead of going really to the people. So that speaks volumes about our own government, I guess. But anyway, it's good that network marketing, because those same marketing dollars that they would spend in advertisement, billboards, commercials, those sorts of things, they go straight directly to the consumer who's actually using a product and allows them to make a certain lifestyle for themselves. And that's the beauty about network marketing. It's all legitimate. As long as there's a product and service, you're good. Anyway, that's it for this video. I guess we can call this video 1. I'll have some more videos here in the future actually discussing more about network marketing and the opportunity that I actually decided to go with and what it's doing for me. So thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe wherever you're watching this, YouTube, Facebook, what have you. But this is solely for Deshaun Johnson at DeshaunJohnson.com. Once again, God bless you. See you in the next video. Talk soon.